everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and I've got an amazing recipe for you today. We are making, it's a roast, but I want to cook it like a steak in the air fryer. But before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Let's share, like, and subscribe right here. So we're going to get this started. This is going to be a part of my collaboration, Snacks of Summer, because who doesn't like a good snack, steak, dinner, whatever, in summer? So first things first, I'm going to move y'all around because I've had a couple of people say, you know, you really need to get a little bit closer to the action, Misty. So I'm going to move you around and show you what I'm doing. Be right back. Okay, in my bowl here, I have nearly a full stick of butter. You're like, oh, this is going to be good already. All right, so to that, I'm adding some garlic. And yeah, I could chop some garlic up, but I don't like garlic all over my hands. I know. Got garlic. I'm adding Worcestershire sauce. And some seasoning salt. Now, a little bit about this steak. I got this at the local grocery store on clearance. I actually bought several steaks. I bought this one. I bought a ribeye. I think I bought a round chuck steak. And I got them all for under $3 because they were on clearance. Y'all, don't be afraid to check out your clearance section. There is nothing wrong with these steaks. You know, and buying them for $3 is a whole lot better than paying, you know, $14, $15 for a piece of meat, and they're just as good. This was a Nolan Ryan steak, so Texas grass-fed. I ain't turning it down. And I'm just gonna mush all this up. Can you get my tray for me and spray it? Thank you. My sous chef, Papa Z, back there. I don't know what I'd do without him. He's my cameraman. He's my sous chef. Maybe one of these days when Mama Z's is, you know, big and famous, and I can have. They said Mr. Beast. He's a big YouTuber. If y'all don't know who he is, he's like huge, big guy. He's got, I don't know, 30 million subs or something like that. He has like 50 people on his staff. I want 50 people on my staff, just saying. I don't know that I'll ever be that big, but I'd like to have a couple of people. Paula Dean's got a couple of people on her staff. Okay. So, next thing I'm going to do is I want to take this beautiful piece of meat here and put it on my air fryer tray. And I'm just going to come along and I'm going to poke some holes in it. I'm going to glob this on. I'm only going to put about half of it on, because when you turn it, because you're going to cook halfway through, and then you're going to turn it, I'm going to put the other half on the other side. So I'm just going to push this in, press it in my meat. All right. Okay. I'm going to bring you over here to the air fryer and we're going to get started. Okay. So I'm at my air fryer. I'm going to set it right in here like this. Turn it on. All right, there's a meat setting. I'm gonna hit the meat setting. It says for 25 minutes. Now I'm gonna come back when that's halfway through, and we're gonna flip it, and I'm gonna put the rest of that butter on it. So we'll see you back in about 13 minutes. Okay, so it's 13 minutes in. We're gonna
12 minutes in.
pull it out. Look how pretty that looks, guys. My husband's over here drooling already. Try to get where it don't fall apart on me here. Flip it over. Look at the marks, grill marks. We're gonna take the rest of our butter. Probably just gonna melt on here.
Probably.
No butter abuse. It's just gonna melt. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I'm gonna poke some holes. I'm gonna try to kind of keep it in the center as long as it'll stay.
You gotta get that piece up there.
Huh?
You gotta get that little piece up there.
Put it in here before it all melts off. Alright, we're gonna put it back in and cook it. Let me wipe this all off so it don't just drain off the... Alright, 13 more minutes. Let it go and we'll be back in just a minute, guys. Okay, my friends, look at this beautiful roast steak. And this was like $3, and it will feed all three of us. So next time you're in your grocery store, go look in the clearance aisle. Don't knock it just because it's on clearance. And I cooked this all in my air fryer. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me today.